Sub store at less coin holder, what's going on this time, my friend? The star coin is completely on the trending, but definitely, my friend, this is temporary dump, so don't see this temporary dump. As you can see, the price is decreasing, but my friend, Atlas is this time completely on the trending, in especially in UK, USA, and also Norway, my friend. So therefore 0.1819 USD dollars is the current price. Definitely they will completely hit now, my friend, just in only I think my friend, just in only in 1 month, especially in the last of this year, I'm 100% sure that they will hit now half USD dollar. But this is possible if a holder are starting investing, holding, and don't starting selling. Otherwise this is impossible to. They will pumps up, they will dumps down more and more, hour by hour, day by day. So my friends, a lot of holders are doing this mistake to. They're starting selling when they see the temporary dump. Urgently they are starting selling, but I think this is the holders very huge mistake. So don't do this mistake and be safe from the loss. I'm 100% sure if you are stopping this mistake, you will get a very good profit. So today we will talk about my friends, the Atlas coin, some very secret information. I hope if you understand this, I hope you will get a very good profit. My friends, Atlas in upcoming time decided to, we are going to, my friends, convert first of all the this coin is token to coin. So I hope, my friend, if a start Atlas token convert into coin, then the people are trusting very hardly and they will completely invest now more and more. And if the my friend, investor starting increasing, then the volume is increasing, and this time you can see 4.57% the volume is increasing. Otherwise the price is, you can see, decreasing. So don't worry, my friend, because the volume is credit volume, all credit volume, all volume credit goes to market cap. If the volume is increasing, then the market cap is increasing. But when the market cap is increasing, definitely the price is increasing. So this time, as you can see here, the market cap is decreasing. So don't worry, I hope, my friends, in upcoming time they will also starting moving upward and they will give you a profit. Don't worry, this time the resistance line that you can see, my friend, they will cross and go down. Don't worry, I hope they will again pumps up and they will hit the resistance lines and give you a very good profit, but you will need to wait for this huge pump. Alright, thanks for watching Star Atlas coin holders. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Love is, take care.